The year 2025 marked a historic moment in military aviation. Boeing proudly unveiled its F-47 fighter jet. President Donald Trump announced the official designation on March 21st. This event signaled a new chapter for United States air power. It was the culmination of intensive, secretive development efforts. The world watched as America prepared to redefine aerial combat. This jet promised to push technological boundaries further than ever before. The anticipation within defense circles was truly immense for this new platform. The F-47 is the leading aircraft of the Next Generation Air Dominance program. This ambitious program is often called NGAD by military planners. Its primary mission is to succeed the legendary F-22 Raptor in service. While the F-22 Raptor remains a highly capable fighter aircraft, it is an aging design. A new generation of aircraft is now needed to counter emerging global threats effectively. Boeing successfully secured the crucial contract to build this next-generation fighter. They won this significant contract against strong competition from other major aerospace giants in the industry. This unveiling was much more than just a new plane reveal for the public. It was a clear and unambiguous statement of American technological leadership. The F-47 sent a strong message to potential adversaries across the globe. It represents a significant leap forward in aerospace engineering and innovative design. The aircraft is meticulously engineered to ensure American skies remain secure for many decades to come. The F-47 stands as a symbol of innovation and strong national resolve. Its development was a triumph of focused research and close government-industry collaboration. High-ranking military officials attended the impressive unveiling ceremony. Defense industry leaders were also present in significant numbers to witness the event. Key speeches delivered during the ceremony highlighted the F-47's critical role in national security. Air Force Chief of Staff General David Alvin publicly praised the aircraft's design. He specifically called it the most advanced, lethal and adaptable fighter ever developed. The event was filled with a palpable sense of national pride and profound technological achievement. It strongly underscored America's ongoing commitment to maintaining its decisive defensive edge. The NGAD program embodies a new philosophy for conducting air combat operations. It is not simply about developing one single new fighter jet platform. Instead, NGAD is conceived as a comprehensive and integrated family of systems. The F-47 serves as the vital centerpiece of this highly interconnected network. This advanced network includes uncrewed collaborative combat aircraft or CCAs as key components. These sophisticated drone wingmen will fly alongside the piloted F-47 aircraft. Advanced new sensors and new types of weapons are also integral parts of this system. Enhanced connectivity with satellites and other airborne assets is absolutely key. Developing the F-47 was a major collaborative undertaking for all parties involved. Boeing worked in very close partnership with the U.S. Department of Defense. For 5 years leading up to March 2025, experimental NGAD concepts were actively flying. These crucial flight tests helped to validate many of the advanced technologies incorporated. This iterative approach to development significantly reduced overall program risks. It also ensured that the final F-47 design would meet the demanding performance standards. The program emphasized sustained innovation at every single stage of its development cycle. The NGAD program did encounter some significant challenges during its development phase. In May 2024, there was a brief pause in its multifaceted activities. This temporary pause was due to initial concerns about potentially high cost estimates. However, a detailed and thorough review quickly reaffirmed the program's vital necessity. It was then reinstated, underscoring its strategic national importance to defense. The U.S. Air Force plans substantial financial investment in the NGAD initiative. Approximately $20 billion is currently budgeted for the program between 2025 and 2029. A key design goal for the F-47 is to be more adaptable than the F-22 Raptor. It is also intended to be more cost-effective over its entire operational lifespan. While the initial research and development costs are indeed high, long-term operational savings are anticipated. The Engineering and Manufacturing Development (EMD) contract uses a cost-plus incentive fee structure. This contractual approach encourages Boeing to manage program costs as efficiently as possible. The primary focus is on creating a versatile platform that can evolve to meet diverse future threats. Adaptability is therefore a core design tenet of the F-47. The F-47 introduces a revolutionary stealth plus technology to the forefront of air combat. This advanced set of features is described by officials as truly state-of-the-art. It is specifically designed to make the jet almost invisible to enemy radar systems. This capability significantly surpasses the stealth performance of previous generation fighters like the F-22 and F-35. Achieving such a low observable LO signature is absolutely critical for mission success and survivability. It allows the F-47 to operate deep within heavily contested enemy airspace. This gives pilots a decisive combat advantage over potential adversaries. Beyond its highly advanced stealth characteristics, the F-47 offers an incredible combat radius. The jet can operate effectively for over 1,000 nautical miles without needing to refuel. This greatly extends its operational reach and its ability to remain on station for longer periods. For comparison, the F-22 Raptor has a combat radius of approximately 590 nautical miles. The F-35 Lightning II's combat radius is around 670 nautical miles. This significantly extended range is crucial for operations in large geographical areas, such as the Pacific Theater. The F-47 can also achieve sustained speeds greater than Mach 2. Manned-unmanned teaming, often abbreviated as MUM-T, is a core innovation for the F-47. The fighter is specifically designed from the ground up to integrate smoothly with unmanned aircraft systems. These uncrewed partners are commonly referred to as Collaborative Combat Aircraft, CCAs. Advanced drones like the General Atomics RFQ-42A and the Anduril RFQ-44A will act as loyal wingmen. They can undertake a wide variety of missions, including reconnaissance, targeted strike operations, and electronic warfare support. This innovative teamwork greatly enhances overall mission effectiveness and significantly improves pilot safety. The F-47 comes equipped with a sophisticated sensor fusion AI system on board. This cutting-edge artificial intelligence meticulously integrates data from the jet's numerous advanced sensors. It provides the pilot with an unmatched level of situational awareness in real time. This enhanced understanding of the complex battlespace allows for faster, more accurate decision-making. This capability is especially crucial in complex and rapidly evolving multi-domain combat scenarios. The AI also assists with critical tasks like precise target identification and rapid threat assessment. Powering this formidable jet are next-generation adaptive propulsion (NGAP) engines, promising enhanced performance. The F-47 aircraft is critically important for maintaining enduring U.S. air superiority. Its development is a direct and calculated response to rapid military advancements by other nations. Potential adversaries, particularly China and Russia, are vigorously modernizing their respective air forces. The F-47 is specifically designed to ensure America stays well ahead in aerial combat technology. Its widespread deployment is expected to significantly influence the global strategic balance of power. The U.S. Air Force currently plans to operate a substantial fleet of at least 185 F-47 aircraft in the coming years. The operational timeline for the F-47 fighter jet is notably ambitious and fast-paced. The aircraft is widely expected to achieve initial operational status between 2025 and 2029. Some defense analysts and industry observers predict it could even enter service by late 2026. Boeing officials have publicly confirmed that the F-47's crucial first flight will occur before the end of 2029. This rapid development and fielding schedule clearly underscores the urgent need for this advanced capability. The jet will be introduced into active service gradually, systematically replacing older aircraft models currently in use. The F-47 program will have a wide-ranging and positive industrial and technological impact. It significantly strengthens the United States' vital defense industrial base for the future. The program actively fosters crucial innovation and ensures healthy, robust competition within the aerospace sector. For Boeing, securing this landmark contract is a major strategic achievement. This is especially true given some recent challenges the company has faced with other defense and civilian programs. The F-47 drives critical progress in materials science, advanced avionics, and artificial intelligence. These technological advancements often benefit other unrelated industries as well. Looking towards the future, the F-47 program offers distinct potential for international collaboration. The most advanced, cutting-edge versions of the F-47 will likely remain exclusive to the U.S. military. However, there is already considerable discussion about developing modified export variants for key American allies. This could greatly enhance interoperability and strengthen vital defense partnerships around the world. Important decisions regarding aircraft basing and other program elements will be finalized as it nears operational status. The F-47 is demonstrably more than just an aircraft. It is a cornerstone of future U.S. defense strategy.